Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not available on your country. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the application of Google Maps and you will enter like this. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.